Hello. In this video, we're going to talk about heaps and specifically a pairing heap. This is a beginning video, and so we will just get to far enough along to create an initial heap, and then we'll follow up with adding items and then removing items in a heap, keeping to the heaps rules. All right, so in this first video, let's just introduce the creation of a pairing heap, and that's the definition of a heap. So a heap is a tree structure with the following rules and structure. It is a two-element tuple. The first element is another two-element tuple, and the second element is the list of children or subheaps. In the first element, the two-element tuple, we have a ranking and then the data that is associated with that particular heap. All right. The rule is that the heap, the top of the heap, the ranking data two-element tuple pair must be either less than or greater than all of the ranking and data subheaps for that particular heap. In other words, the top of the heap must be either have the smallest ranking or the largest ranking of all of its child heaps, all of its sub-heaps. All right. So here, let's just create a heap, two of them, right? One that's empty and one with an initial ranking and associated data. All right. So we will define match a function. All right, and we define match. Function is heap new. And it, as mentioned, it has a two-element tuple, so it has a ranking. Whoops, ranking and some associated data. We will give these some initial defaults. Always the easiest just to have an empty list, and so we will match. And if we were just given defaults, then this is just a empty hash, which classically is just an empty list. All right. Otherwise, we are given a ranking and some data. No need. We'll just match on anything, and we will return our normal two-element tuple, aka a list, right? Well, actually, we could in Elixir we can make it a pair, so we can cons together our ranking and our data. All right. So this is perfect. So let's test it up. Test it, and first of all, we will save it off. Let's test it. Racket temp pairing heap starting. Good. And first we will just display a heap new, a basic one. Let's just see what happens here. We have our classic empty as expected. Display ln, and let's make heap. Whoops. Heap new. Let's give it a ranking of 8, and the data will be an symbol of car. All right, and let's see what this does. Excellent. So we have our heap and our data, but of course I completely messed this up because our two elements are children. So we'll put children in, and our ranking data is itself supposed to be a heap. So completely messed that up. Huh. So now, glad we tested it. Now we are consing, but onto a list, so it doesn't look right. We need a list out of that for racket. And now we finally have our 2-element tuple, which itself, first element is a 2-element tuple, which is the ranking and data, and the second element of our heap is the children, which are empty. So there we are, creating a new heap, either empty or with an initial ranking and data. Okay. Next video should be, we will be adding data to a heap. Talk to you later.